lovelies. So today I thought I would vlog for this week's video, and I'm going to share some smart ways to help you organize yourself for the week ahead. Now I'm going to take you through my Sunday routine, how I get ready for the coming week, and not only set myself up for a really productive week, but also make sure that I am effectively spacing out all of my tasks for the week ahead. So when Friday does come, I'm not absolutely exhausted. I've actually planned out my week in a really thoughtful way. Now, one way that I organize myself for the week ahead, I like to wash my hair every Sunday and then again midweek. So that's why my hair is looking quite soft and fluffy and fuzzy. Also, I took Winston out for a walk and it's raining, so it did get a little frizzy. But I also, here's a little hack to save you time on a Monday morning if you don't have time to do your hair. I actually curl my hair on a Sunday afternoon. So maybe I'll film a little time lapse later today of me curling my hair, but it just saves me so much time on a Monday. Every Sunday I also like to do meal prep, so I've just made my lunches for the week. I've only made 4 because I go into the office 4 days a week. So I bought a roast chicken and I've divided it up into each container. These two have some peas and roasted sweet potato, which I just added a bit of olive oil and salt. And these ones have broccolini and sweet potato. And if I get hungry, the other thing I actually just picked up at the supermarket, these little steaming rice cups. You can just take one out, pop it in the microwave, and then add it if you are pretty hungry that day. Right, so I'm gonna put 2 in the freezer and 2 in the fridge. Just because it's chicken, I don't really know, being Sunday, if this is gonna keep all the way to Friday. So then I'll just take it out of the freezer the night before. I didn't always do meal prep for my lunches, and it was really bad because I would get so caught up in work mode that come lunchtime, I wouldn't really prioritize a very healthy, nutritious meal. So this way I know no matter how busy the workload is, I'm always gonna make sure that I'm eating really healthy every single day. But I didn't do meal prep for the 1 day a week I work from home, because sometimes I'll just make a toasted sandwich or I'll have leftovers from dinner the night before. So I figured I'll just make 4 for the week. Winston, guess what time it is? It's biscuit baking time! So every Sunday I make Winston some homemade biscuits. It's a really simple recipe, I'll show you in a moment. But I just find it so much cheaper and also healthier to make him biscuits myself. And it's a little act of love. He gets so excited when he smells it in the oven. Don't you, baby? Yes! We're gonna make the cookies! So this is how I make Winston's dog biscuits. It's 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of rice flour, pinch of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of peanut butter, and I'm just gonna add some filtered water. Next thing I thought I'd show you that I do, this is really helpful, make a list of everything that needs to get done around the house and allocate some time to do it on a Sunday. One thing that Adam and I have been doing differently lately as part of our organizational Sunday routine for the week ahead, and it is so much better doing it this way, I've got to say. I used to clean whenever I saw something that needed to get done, and it was really silly because I was so focused on having a perfectly tidy home that I would just make more unnecessary work for myself every day. So this way, we set aside time every Sunday, we write up everything that needs to get done around the house, and then we divide it up, and we spend probably like 30 minutes each cleaning the home. It's so much better to do it that way. So I personally hate vacuuming, so Adam's gonna do the vacuuming. I'm gonna do the washing, scrub the toilet, and also water the houseplants. He will vacuum and wipe down the furniture and kitchen benches. So yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. Also comment below, how often do you clean? Do you clean every week? Do you clean 5 times a week? Do you clean once a month? Are you a messy one? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very curious to find out.
Ryan Little.
Oh, also a little cleaning hack I forgot to mention. I recently found this out and can't believe I've been doing it differently. I was sorting and separating all of our clothes before they go in the wash. You don't need to. Apparently, if you just do a really cold wash, unless you want to do your whites and keep them really, really bright, your darks and colors and lights can all go in together. So I'm just doing 1 load, and then when it's done, I usually hang it outside, but it's pouring. So I'm actually going to turn on the dryer this time. Now that the cleaning part of my day is done, I'm gonna paint my nails. I'm going with this little pink color. This one's from Kester Black. I think they are 10 chemical free, so that's why I like using them. So I'm gonna do my nails on a Sunday because I like to feel fresh for the week. Sometimes I get them done, but I don't do that every weekend. So I'm gonna paint my nails. onto the planning part of my Sunday routine for the week. This is something I highly recommend. Like, I can't stress this enough. I really recommend that you do this as well, because it has changed the way that I schedule all of my work, that I go about my work every day, and my overall, not only stress levels are lower, my productivity levels are higher. I feel so much more on top of my work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a list of everything that needs to get done for the coming week, and then I'm gonna schedule it into my weekly planner, and I'll show you an example from last week's schedule, and then I'll show you the finished product for this coming week. So this is last week's schedule. So you can see I've got a section where I've got all of my to-dos, but I'm gonna write down my tasks here, schedule them in for the week over here, and then any little tasks or to-dos can go over here. Also, I feel like this is a really good thing to do if you're a student. So if you're in school, if you're in uni or college, especially if you're running your own business like me though, but I feel like there are so many things that you have to think about and get done every single week, every single day. So this is a good way to space out your work, and knowing that you've got a really clear and well thought out plan for the week ahead, it means you can go into Monday not dreading it, because you've spaced out your work in a way that is going to support you and your well-being. And I've had a habit of overdoing my work schedule many times, or there'll be certain days where I just work myself to the bone and then I feel really drained and fatigued the next day. So this is really simple, yet I feel like a planner is helping alleviate so much stress and anxiety. And there was even a weekend a couple weeks back where I had so many things to get done that coming week, and it came to Sunday and I was feeling quite tired. I didn't really know how I was going to handle it all. And I just went back to my plan and I looked at anything that wasn't urgent that I could postpone for the following week, anything that really didn't have to get done at all, and I was just making additional work for myself. And then when it came to Monday, I felt so much more confident about what I had to do and my ability to get it all done. Alright, so now I'm going to put my weekly plan into my laptop sleeve just here. Look at little Winston. He's very tired. Or relaxed. You're relaxed, are you? Hi, Papa. Multiple sleep cycles every day, guys. What a life. Alright, so I've packed my laptop sleeve. It's nice and squishy, so I can fit my charger, my laptop, my planner, my headphones. There's a lot of stuff in there. Now it's time, though, to pack my bag. Actually, I don't know why I said pack my bag, because in my bag is basically just my wallet, and I'll pop my phone in and my lunch tomorrow morning. I'll just take it out of the fridge. But I do need to organize what am I wearing tomorrow, because I don't have time to figure it out the morning of. And I also need to get my yoga clothes ready, because as you know from my updated work routine vlog, I go to yoga first at work. There's a studio, and then I go get changed and get ready to work. Look how nice and organized my wardrobe is, guys. I'm very proud of myself for keeping it so tidy. Right, so we'll take out some leggings for yoga, Lululemon. I'll grab this crop top and this top. Oh, someone's up from his nap. Good morning. So given it's gonna be cold, we are going for some boots, a nice warm turtleneck sweater. I'm gonna wear a singlet because sometimes it's warm in the building, and I've got some cute white skinny jeans. Side note, Sundays are also for relaxing, so you have to restore your energy to have a productive and happy week ahead. So it's currently time for cuddles on the bed with Winston. Yeah. He loves belly pats and leg scratches. Let me know if your dog is obsessed with leg scratches. Every time I pat you, he wants his leg tickled. Another thing I like to do on a Sunday, I actually only do this one Sunday a month because it's a nice little reflective exercise for the month that's been. So at the moment, I'm filming this, I don't know when this video is going live, but it's the last week of February. So I'm going to spend some time writing in this journal I just bought. Let me show you, it's really beautiful. So this is a happiness journal, and I bought this one from kikki.K. There are some nice little exercises at the start that I want to spend some time doing. And then every month is divided into a separate section. So Winston, oh, he's heard something and he's lost interest. Okay. So this is the note section at the end of February, and it just asks, how do you feel after the month that just passed? It's a really lovely way to keep on track with your goals and make sure that you're creating a life that really supports you. Knowing that tomorrow is a work day, I love having a slow Sunday. So I recently bought this book. It is so cute. It's a limited edition cover. It's Thrive by Arianna Huffington. I've heard really good things about this book, so I thought I'd spend some time reading because I haven't really had a lot. Well, I have had time to read, I just haven't really prioritized it. So I want to spend some time reading. Maybe Winston will join me on the bed for cuddles. Right now he's in his bed. He's such a funny muffin. Sometimes he wants to be right on me and other times he just wants his space. So comment below, what book are you currently reading? Sunday nights are great because Adam and I get takeaway. It's our day off, or our night off from cooking. So there's really not much else to do. I am ready for the week ahead. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video and leave your video suggestions there as well. Let me know what you want me to film. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at StudyWithJess. I hope you loved this video, this little vlog, and that you have a happy and productive week ahead. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.